So we are moving on to the next part, and it's the headlight washer cap. It's for the W140. I think it's the same principle as well for the other models, but currently I have it for the W140. We can see here, this is the channel where the liquid for cleaning is being pumped, and it's going to this nozzle. Originally the infrastructure had this in the end, so at the original one it's some kind of, I don't know how to call it, a centering piece for the spray, but I tried to put it in here. It doesn't seem to fit, but in any case I think the important thing is that you mount it here, inside here, and that the liquid goes through here. So it's a clean and simple install, I think, and let's go to the car. Okay, so we're at the car. Basically you have to, as I said, put this in and down, and this is the hole where the liquid comes, and it's clipped inside here. So I already did the opposite side. In general, you push this in, be sure to check, and then push it until you hear a click, and try to remove it. It's firm, and that's that. Just make sure, and of course later on try and see if the system is working, but I can't since my car is missing its engine room. Bum bum bum.